Ka election banjit Presiden Hakari India kalalong menta kasngi ha Meghalaya. Ya ka election la penlong hakayeng dorbar thau an ka jilla haril bong. Nakin riu pongut ki MLA ki balapoi ban thep vote ki long san pen riu ngun. Bat saungut ki MLA ki Khlem poi ban thep vote. Naki laingut ki MP ba thep vote haslong tang uwei. Chief Electoral uba Frederick R. Kharkongor hadin balakut ke Jingthep vote ulayathu baki MLA ki belawan ban thep vote ki long san pen riu ngun. Ki ba pep ki don saungun na ki laingut ki MP jong ka jilla bawan thep vote ha assembly tang uwei baro ki ba thep vote banjit Presiden ki long san pen ngun. Layathu baya ka senduk thep vote ka balakhang batta laha menta kamit onbu haka kamra ka bakerpang balashai kasngi on sarano shanongba Delhi rengkat ka jing pahara ka bakhlain banpoi shalok sabha barka jing nyau bot kan long haka arpuwei tarik mentau benai. Habayade baka jing bampoi ki saungut ki MLA na kaliang CEO jong ka jilla Meghalaya uloong bana ki daw ki ba omla ban kiar ki ba Khlem poi ban thep vote ki long uba sngyaw bhalang dhar ba shetlang pale u James Sangma but Marthon Sangma.
Process for the presidential election being held here in Meghalaya is now complete. The sealing process is underway and the poll ballot box has been securely kept into the strong room, and now the sealing process is on along with all the important documents. This will again be deposited in the strong room, and our officials will be taking it to New Delhi tomorrow and will deposit it in the Rajya Sabha, and counting for the poll ballot box of all the states will take place on the 21st. And tonight the poll ballot box along with other documents will be kept in a safe and secure strong room under 24/7 security, and our observer is also here and is under close monitoring of the observer as well, along with the authorized agents of both the parties who are also physically present here. So with that we complete this poll process here in Meghalaya for the presidential elections.
How was the polling? How many were present? Absent?
Yeah. So in terms of polling, we out of 60 legislators, 60 MLAs, 56 turned up and cast their vote. 4 did not turn up for various reasons, and 1 MP also cast his vote here. So out of the 61 electorate, as you would call it, 57 votes were cast in total. That is 56 MLAs and 1 MP.